Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas from PowerPoint World. Welcome you all guys in my YouTube channel. This is our tutorial number 200 guys, and in this video I am going to explain how to create a 5-step infographics like this in just PowerPoint guys. As you can see here, each arrow is representing a different type of text with different icons guys. And here you can see at the targeting board, just below this board, you can see a shadow effect over here. So this is how this infographics will look like. Before start creating it guys, I just want to request you guys, if you are new on this channel and watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel. One more thing I just want to tell you guys, your small contribution will make me motivated to create more such PowerPoint stuffs for you guys. And the download link of free download link actually, the free download link of this PPT you will find in the description section, as well as the payment details link you will find in the description section guys. So before wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So I'm going to end the show and click on insert option. Here you will find the new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide. So after this, what I'm going to do, I will copy this color sample from the previous slide by pressing Ctrl C and paste it over here on the new slide by pressing Ctrl V on the keyboard. So now what I'm going to do, I will create a shape like this. I will create a board like this where the arrow will be targeted. So to do that, we will have to see how many circles are there. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 circles are there. So I'm going to create a circle first. So I'm going to click on insert option and choose an oval shape option inside the shape option. Press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make it bigger like this. Now put it over here and remove the outline by clicking on no outline option. After this, what I'm going to do, first I will fill it with this color, this particular color. Now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy. And after making it duplicate, I'm going to press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller. Fill it with a different color. So I'm going to fill it with something white color. So I'm going to use this color and put this circle over here at the center. Now again I'm going to press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy and fill it with this color. Press Ctrl and Shift on keyboard and drag it inward to make it smaller like this and put it over here in the middle. Now again I'm going to press Ctrl and D, and after this what I'm going to do, I will fill it with a white color and press Ctrl D and do the same method as we have applied before and just place it in the center. Press Ctrl D and fill it with a red color, like I'm going to choose it with the color sample and make it smaller by pressing Ctrl C. Now I will select all these shapes and say align in middle as well as align in center. Again I will choose align in middle. Okay. Now select all these shapes and say fragment. Now after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will fill it with a different color. So for this I'm going to use this color, and for this I'm going to use this color, and for this and this I will use a white color. I'm going to use this color. Now what I'm going to do, I will select all these shapes because these shapes are become independent shape like this. Okay, so I will select all these shapes together and press Ctrl G to make it a single group. Just right click over here and choose format shape option. Now you will find the effect option under the format shape option. Just click on that and choose a 3D format. After choosing the 3D format option, just choose this circle option and make it width 0 pt and make the height to 28 pt. Now you can't see any changes in the object because you don't have you don't select this 3D rotation option. Just click on that and choose this one inside the preset option. Now what I'm going to do, I will increase the height of this as well as this and as well as this, these three shapes. As you can see here, the height of this blue and red circles will be greater than the white circles. Means the white circle is in the depth and other three circles are at the top. Means the height of other three circles are more than the white circles. Okay. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will choose this one and this one and increase the height of these circles. Like I'm going to make it something 32. Okay, but we can't see any changes in that. So to see the changes, I'm going to rotate it through the x-axis, and now you can see the change. So I will keep it something like this. I will rotate it something like this to slightly, I'm going to make a slant like this. Okay, and so this is what the shape we want. Okay, after this it's time to create the arrow effect. To do that, what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option, just choose the shape option and you will find a parallelogram shape. So choose the parallelogram shape and drag it like this. Now what I'm going to do, I will make it something like this, or maybe something like this, and remove this shape outline. Make a duplicate copy of this and flip it vertically. So flip it vertically and put this shape over here. Make a group of this shape and place it over here. Just make it a little bit smaller, like drag it to innerward after pressing the Ctrl and Shift key on the keyboard, like this. Okay, so now it's time to create this handle, this stick for the arrow. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will use cylinder option. Like I'm going to use this particular option, cane option. So I'm going to put it like this and rotate it to left 90 degree. After rotating it, what I'm going to do, I will place it over here. Just right click over here and send it to back. Just remove the outlines and fill it with the gradient fill option. Now the direction should be this, and the color is perfect now. Okay, so select all these two shapes and make it a single group. And now I will fill this shape with a green color, like for this color, and for this shape I'm going to use the lighter version of this color. So we'll have to select this color, and after selecting this color we will select more color option and drag this arrow something upper side to make it lighter, like this. Now rotate this arrow something like this, or make it smaller, guys, like this much, and place it over here like this. Make another duplicate copy. Before doing this, I'm going to rotate it like this. Make another duplicate copy and flip it vertically like this and place it over here. Again, make a duplicate copy by pressing Ctrl D and rotate it a little bit like this and put it over here. Press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy and flip it vertically. Just drag it over here. Again press Ctrl D and rotate it to parallel to the plane and put it over here like this. Now we are done with the arrow also, so we have to select the different color for the arrow. So I'm going to fill this arrowhead from this color, and for this shape I'm going to use the lighter version of this color. So I'm going to use more color option and drag this handle to upper side to select a lighter version. Now for this shape, what I'm going to use, I will use this blue color, and for the right this shape I will use the same color but the lighter version of this color. So I'm going to choose more color option and drag this arrow to the right, to the upper side, to select a color variant like this. Now for this shape I'm going to select eyedropper and this color. Now for this shape I will do the same. We'll do the same with this shape. Now we're done with this shape. Now we have to provide a shadow effect here, something here. So to do that I'm going to select an oval shape option. Just drag an oval shape like this and fill it with this color. After this remove the outline and say soft edges option. You have to select the 25 pt over here, and after this what I'm going to use, I will put this shadow over here. Now I will drag it outward to make the shadow bigger, and after this what I'm going to use, I will increase the pt like this and choose a lighter color, like I'm going to choose this color for the shadow. So this will be the perfect. Okay, now just right click over here and send it to back. Now it's looking fine, guys. Now it's time to fill the gradient fill option. So right click over here, choose the format background option and choose a gradient fill option. It will automatically fetch the color from the previous slide, guys. I have used two handles, the left handle and the right handle of the same color, and the middle handle will be the lighter color like this. I'm using a white color for this. And for the left and right handle, you can use this particular color. You can see in the color sample, this particular color. Okay. So now it's time to put the text as well as these icons. So I'm going to select all these text as well as icon from the previous slide and put it over here like this. So to do this, what I'm going to do, I will first make a group and slide it like this. So before copy these things, I'm going to select all these element and align it to the left so that we can make a space for the text. Now we will go to the previous slide, and after coming to this slide we will select all these text as well as the icon from the previous slide and paste it over here on the new slide, guys, like this, as you can see here. So let me show you which type of text I'm using. I'm using the text Constantia and the size is 9. And for the heading I'm using the Vardhana 14, and these headings should be the different color, as I have color will be same as the arrowhead have. So this is how you can create this simple infographics, guys, and it's looking so attractive, guys, as you can see here. I have give you an overview to create this easily in PowerPoint, guys. So hope you will like the tutorial very much. If you really like the tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, guys. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.